Laibak asida UPA lengak leiramlabadi Manipur gi irang ase pung kharagi manungda loisalamgani haina Congress ke luchingba Rahul Gandhi na phongdurakle Indian National Congress Manipur na social media da thagalakpa video amada naha singa unaduna wari sabada wafam ase mahakna phongdukibane mahakna makha na hai Manipur da tangdu laitaba hanjin hanbage tangai phadaba lai irang asida laikhidraba amade asok apan nang khraba singge imung manung yangsin bigadabane Manipur da Changnaba yadana laiba furup animak ashaubuna mang thaduna laiba asina tangdu laitaba hanjin hanbang ngamdabane furup ani asigi luchingba singna wari sanaduna warishin amuk puraknaba honaminaraba matamda warishin purakpa ngamgane masin natana state asida tangdu laitaba hanjin hannabage atopa pambai amata laite Government of India ne irang ase loishinge khalabade minute kharage manungda loishinba ngame adubu irang ase Government of India na loishinba pamde maram aduna Prime Minister ngasi fawba Manipur da chatana leiribani haina su mana makha tana phongdurakle
So leadership of both the communities needs to sort of try and build bridges between the community. That's eventually the only possible answer. If the government of India if the government of India decides that there needs to be peace in Manipur, it's a 5-minute job. Literally, it's a 5-minute job. The government of India doesn't want peace in Manipur. If there was a UPA government, this thing would have been finished within hours. There's no, if the Indian army is told, stop people from fighting and killing each other, the Indian army will stop it in 15 minutes. There's no problem with that. So there is a sense also of government thinking that this conflict is suitable. That also explains why the Prime Minister didn't go there. The state is burning and the Prime Minister doesn't go there for 2-3 years. It's completely crazy.